Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a house tour of my mama's house. Well, my mom and my stepdad. And they live in the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia. And they've only lived here for about 2 years. And I just wanted to show you their beautiful home. This is their little fire pit they made themselves right by their little pond. It's super cute and relaxing. So before we get into this video, I just wanted to say that my mom does have a fully finished basement in her house, but I did not tour that area because she does have a friend in her family living with her while they're in the process of buying a house nearby. So while we're visiting, I didn't do the basement, and also please excuse the mess because I brought my 7 kids to visit. She had a family living in her basement, and she had my brother's friend living with them at the time, and she had a few friends visiting for work. So she had a total of like 19 people staying at her house during this video. So it's in great shape considering that, but it is a little messy because me and my kids especially have our stuff everywhere. The kids had already came in and made themselves right at home, so the house is a little bit messy. Not really that bad compared to mine anyway. So I just wanted to throw that in there before we get started. So this is her front porch, and my mom has a great taste, and like she's so great at decorating and organizing. And there's my sister smoking a cigarette. Tell her to put them cancer sticks down. But anyway, let's go ahead and go inside. So here is the front foyer. And my mom loves vintage painted furniture, as do I. We share that love for sure. I was going to go in the office first, but Miss Bradley had the door locked, so I came back later. So moving on to the little half bath between the garage and the living room. So it's just, you know, a half bath. Super cute. Nothing crazy, but, you know, if you got to go before you're running out the door, or if you're right in the kitchen or the living room and you gotta go, it's right there. And my kids have already been in here knocking things over and making a mess. And there's plenty of storage. The drawers already have dividers in them. Super nice. Moving on to the living room, and I did not have the best lighting when I filmed this. It was closer to sunset, and I tried to brighten up the video as best I could when editing, but I did not have the best lighting for this video, so please excuse every little area that's too dark to really see, but it is what it is. I did what I could to fix it. So let's move on. And like I said, we have our stuff like all over the place, but I'm gonna go ahead and go back in the office since Miss Bradley had came out of there. So the theme of their office, let me explain. My stepdad was he's a retired Green Beret for the Army, and he is a retired firefighter, so he has all of his stuff and all of his achievements and little knickknacks on display in here, and I think my mom did a fabulous job of displaying all of those, but it's just a nice little way to show all that he's achieved, and it's quite a lot. Alright, moving on, we're going to head upstairs. She just has a bunch of collages going up the stairs of family photos and things. And then this little table and more pictures. She has her vintage cameras that she collects on display on this little table. And then we're going to start off in the laundry room, which is behind this door. The laundry room is upstairs. Not my favorite, but it is upstairs with the bedroom. So you don't have to take your laundry up and down the stairs. It's all right there at the bedroom. So it is somewhat convenient, I guess. So here my mom had taken some pictures in West Virginia in her hometown, and she printed those and framed them, and they look amazing. And then here's a picture of me pregnant with Miss Briley. And then here is the master bedroom. Her bed is not made. I'm so sorry. She was washing her bedding. I didn't realize it until I started filming, and like I said, she had lots of people staying over, and she's probably gonna kill me for posting this, but I don't mind, and I'm sure you don't either. You know, that's life. You gotta wash your sheets and blankets every now and then. But this is her room, dresser, and her husband's closet is over here, and then the little area where she irons his work clothes and uniforms and things. And then we'll head on over to her master bathroom, and she does have a fireplace in her room. So cozy and romantic. I don't know if they use it, but then this is her little antique vanity. Again, excuse my children and their dirty laundry laying everywhere, and our bags all over the place. Moving on to the master bathroom, I have my straightener in here and my stuff on the counter, but this is her master bathroom. It has a his and hers sink and a shower and a tub with a TV above her tub. I sat in her tub like this whole trip and watched rain in the tub. It was amazing. Moving on to her walk-in closet. This is just her closet, I believe. She'll correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but my kids' bags are all on the floor in here, so never mind that. But here's a little mirror, and she has everything organized so well. They put these built-ins. These are the Allen Roth built-ins. You can get these at Lowe's, maybe Home Depot, but I know for sure you can get them at Lowe's. And she just has everything like organized perfectly. She's so great at organizing. Everybody, if you want my mom to start a channel, which I totally do, she is amazing at cleaning, organizing, decorating. She can do it, and she is great at like painting and distressing old vintage furniture. I think she needs to start a channel. I think she would be fantastic at it, and if you think so too, comment below and encourage her, because I would love to see her start her own channel. So like this video or comment below if you've ever had glamour shots done. This is one of my favorite photos of me and my mom. I was 6 years old. She took me to the mall, and we got our hair and makeup done, and we got to play dress up and take pictures, and it was just the most fun mother-daughter thing that we did when I was like that age, and I just will always remember that. And even though glamour shots are kind of tacky, that was like so much fun for me. They really need to bring that back. So here is all her jewelry, and I bought her that little sign that says, "I love that you're my mom." And she has like all of her jewelry on display and organized up here. She has a ton of watches, and she just loves jewelry. And this is her little hall closet full of everything Grove Collaborative. Shameless plug, I have an affiliate link to Grove Collaborative below. I gave her my affiliate link and this is what happened, so you've been warned. Obviously she loved it and she bought like everything, and I love this closet, and I'm probably going to scoop up a few things before I leave and throw them in my bag. She won't notice, right? Okay, so moving on to this little hallway over here. This is just a little vintage painted dresser that she's decorated all cute with some little willow tree things. And next we're going to go into the guest bedroom. This is where me and my husband typically stay when we visit. And just some family photos again. And this is just her cute little guest bedroom. In here, like I said, please forgive the lighting. It's not the greatest, but I worked with what I had. Okay, so this next bathroom doubles as a guest bathroom and my brother's bathroom. He's 17, of course he has all the Axe shower gel in here. You know how that goes. And then she's painted the walls in here and it says wash your hands, which really speaks to the germaphobe in me. She's got a cute little towel rack and then this little organizer here. And then this bathroom also has a double sink. Okay, so this next room is my brother's bedroom. It has these really nice built-ins and on one side and then the closet on the other. It's a little bit smaller, but it's all he really needs. He's a teenage boy. He's at work or with his friends most of the time, and you know. Okay, so the kids were helping my mom make brownies that night. She's such a great nanny and all the kids love her. My foster and bio kids absolutely love Nanny. And she's just amazing. Making brownies, I'm going to show you the rest of the house. This is the kitchen. Like I said, she had 19 people staying with her on this particular day, so we had lots of food cooking and in the crock pots to feed all these hungry people, and the kids are over there just licking the batter, the brownie batter, living their best life. Okay, so next is the little dining room area, and she has this cute little coffee station over here. Again, more vintage painted furniture. My mom would have a stash of tortilla chips. She and I love our Mexican food. We love our salsa and cheese dip, and we keep tortilla chips on deck. And she had just went to the grocery store and got lots of snacks and juice for the kids because she knew they were coming. So all that's over here in this corner, if you're wondering what this mess is right here. Next is her back porch. This is just a little screened in seating area, and then it opens up to like a back deck where she has another patio table and grills and all that. And then the walkway out there wraps around to the driveway and the storage building and the garage. But I just want to let you guys know her house will be on the market in the spring of 2019. So I will post all that information down below if you or anyone you know is interested in buying a house in the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia. It'll probably be posted between $400,000 and $500,000. It is on several acres, and it's a beautiful house and a beautiful property and a wonderful place to live. So if you're interested, come back to this video in the spring and I will have all that information below if you're interested. So anyway, that's all for this house tour, and I thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video or videos like this one. So thanks again. I love you all so much, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.